Hey YouTube, this is my rocket stove. I'm trying to boil the water on top of my little stove. It's kicking pretty good. Then you open the door, got a little fire going in there. And here's the damper. Watch the difference in the smoke. It lightens up and slows down, and you pull it back out. And it starts shooting again good. Here's my little emergency stove I made that you could throw into a backpack or something and take it with you if you needed it. My little handle I made. And there it is, starting to boil the water. So, yep. Thank you. Bye.